I'm Lisa, and today we're going to go ahead and cover how to install our new Corbin electric bike seat. You will be needing a 6mm Allen wrench and a 13mm combination wrench. To start off the installation, you will be needing to take off the stock seat with the post as well at the same time. You will then need to go ahead and determine if you have the straight post or if you have the angled post. This particular seat has the angled post. If your bike has a straight post, you will be using the bracket that already comes installed on the seat itself. You just go ahead and slide it in, adjust the angle that you want it at, and then go ahead and use the 13mm combination wrench to go ahead and secure it. If you have the angled post like we do, you will be removing this bracket from our spring assembly and just putting ours in. You will need to start by removing the nut from either side. Once it is loose, you will go ahead and carefully, so it doesn't slide, take them apart. This is where it gets a bit tricky on removing this section right here, just because it is tension. It has tension in it. To remove the angled bracket from your stock seat, you will start by loosening up the bolt on the stock seat. Once it is loose enough to where you can turn the bottom portion to a 90-degree angle, you will go ahead, slide it out the back. Notice how you can go ahead and adjust the angle. When you install it, you want to make sure that they align and this piece of the bracket falls into the channel as well in the same place. When it's aligned, you can see how it holds onto the rails of the Corbin bracket. You will go ahead and slide it in and make sure that the bottom aligns down before you go ahead and screw it in to place. You just want to do it a little loose to test fit it onto the bike to make sure that the angle is okay for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and test fit it now to see how the angle fits. We're gonna go ahead and snug up the collar. This looks pretty good, but I think it's leaning forward just a little bit too much at the moment. The Corbin bucket design works best if you're sitting back into the saddle. This angle might make you feel like you're being pushed too far forward at the moment. Let's go ahead and adjust the angle back just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead by loosening up the bolt just a little bit to where we can go ahead and angle it forward. You go ahead and tighten it just a little bit again so we can go ahead and retest it. If the seat feels right at the angle, you go ahead and just fully secure the bolt so it doesn't move. You go ahead and install it back on and you make sure that the seat is straight and tighten up the collar securely. Now you're all set to go ahead and enjoy your ride with your new Corbin seat.